There's always some discussion about the value of open houses. From our perspective, they are a critical part of a successful marketing program. We believe that many of our listing sales have been generated out of buyer activity around open houses. All parties benefit from this activity. Here are some of the many reasons open houses work. Buyers like open houses because it gives them an opportunity to browse properties without engaging their realtor. Many buyers get their inspiration by seeing properties in person, and open houses provide a great vehicle for this kind of buyer. This is the "I'll know it when I see it." Some buyers also prefer to direct their own search independent of a realtor. Both of these buyer groups may shop casually for a property over an extended period of time, but are still bona fide buyer prospects and a market segment not to be overlooked. In many cases, open houses are the only way to attract these kind of buyers. Buyers get to see a number of properties casually and can get a good idea of market value over time, thus doing vital research by educating themselves on the market and home features most of interest to them. Some potential buyers do not want to bother their own realtor until they are really serious about buying. Others prefer not to have a commission-driven professional trying to hasten their buying process. Why open houses work for sellers? Sellers get to show off their property in a scheduled way. That makes it easy for them to anticipate and prepare. It allows multiple visitors to tour the property in a defined time period and may alleviate the need for independent showings done on buyers' desired timetables. Open houses are easier to prepare for and may cut down on the number of showings requested, many of which happen after working hours and can be disruptive to a family schedule. Those with children or pets find it easier to tidy up for an open house than have to do it regularly for individual showings that may be at any hour requested by the buyer and their representative. Sellers get feedback both from the realtor and buyers. The number of attendees is generally a good indication of the level of interest the property is generating. Why open houses work for realtors. We like open houses early in a listing period to drive activity and perhaps increase competition among potential buyers. The buzz of a busy open house is usually a very good sign that all visitors will get the message that if they are interested in the property, they should make up their mind quickly, as it is likely the property is going to sell soon. This can generate individual showings following up the open house and sometimes even offers or multiple offers. Often some buyers will schedule an individual appointment ahead of the open house to ensure they don't lose out seeing the property. Open houses are a good advertising vehicle for a listing, and it gives us a chance to feature a property. The level and degree of interest will also tell us if the listing presentation, price, and promotion is satisfactory. Open houses give us face-to-face selling time with buyer prospects, which gives us feedback on the property. We know the house best, so who better to present all the key features and benefits? By spending time in the property, we also get to know it a little better and can often make a few suggestions on tune-ups the sellers can do or ask questions that come from the buyers. We also get a feel for the prospective buyers, which often comes in useful in subsequent offer negotiations. We often do double open houses, which we believe provides additional interest and traffic, plus a front-end loaded social media advertising plan to drive buyers to the event. If you would like to discuss how these and other strategies might work for your listing, by all means give us a call, 306-441-6420. It's great to hear that open houses have been successful for your marketing program. You've highlighted some great reasons why open houses work for buyers, sellers, and realtors. For buyers, open houses provide an opportunity to browse properties without feeling pressure to engage a realtor. and a good idea of market value over time. For some buyers, open houses may be the only way to attract them, and it's important not to overlook this market segment. For sellers, open houses are an easier way to prepare for showings, and they cut down on the number of showings requested. This is especially helpful for families with children or pets who may find it easier to tidy up for an open house rather than individual showings at any hour requested by the buyer and their representative. Sellers also receive valuable feedback from realtors and buyers during open houses. For realtors, open houses are a good way to advertise a listing and generate competition among potential buyers. The buzz of a busy open house is usually a good sign and can often lead to individual showings or even offers. Open houses also give realtors face-to-face selling time with buyer prospects, which can provide valuable feedback and help in subsequent offer negotiation. Overall, open houses can be a great way to market a property and generate interest among potential buyers. It's important to use them strategically as part of a larger marketing plan to ensure the best results. Open houses make sense and are a good part of your marketing campaign. Thanks for watching.